I've been exploring the Bank of America Health Savings Account for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's start with the basics. The Bank of America Health Savings Account is designed for people with high-deductible health plans who want to save money on healthcare expenses while enjoying some nice tax advantages. Additionally, there's no monthly maintenance fee if you sign up for electronic statements, which means you won't have to worry about extra charges eating into your savings. When it comes to contributions for 2025, you can put in up to $4,300 if you have individual coverage, or $8,550 for family coverage. And if you're 55 or older, there's a $1,000 catch-up contribution that lets you save even more. Additionally, the money you put in is tax-deductible, so it lowers your taxable income right away, which is a big plus. One of the most valuable features of Bank of America's HSA is the triple tax advantage. Your contributions go in tax-free, your money grows tax-free, and when you use it for qualified medical expenses, withdrawals are tax-free too. Plus, unlike some other accounts, your funds roll over year after year. No use it or lose it pressure. And if you switch jobs or retire, the account stays with you. Now let's talk about investing. Once your balance hits $1,000, you can start investing your funds in a range of mutual funds, including low-cost options from Vanguard. This is great if you want your savings to grow over time. However, keep in mind that you have to keep $1,000 in cash before you can invest, which means some of your money might not be working as hard as it could. Additionally, managing your account is pretty straightforward. Bank of America offers a user-friendly online dashboard and mobile app where you can track your spending, manage investments, and even upload receipts for easy record keeping. Plus, the HSA works well with popular budgeting apps like Mint and Personal Capital, so you can keep an eye on your overall finances. When it comes to spending your HSA funds, you have plenty of flexibility. You can use the money for doctor visits, prescriptions, dental care, vision expenses, and more. And once you turn 65, you can withdraw money for any purpose. But if you use it for non-medical expenses after 65, you'll pay regular income tax on those withdrawals, similar to a traditional IRA. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the $1,000 cash threshold before investing might feel like a hurdle, especially if you want to maximize your investment returns right away. Additionally, if you prefer paper statements or certain other services, small fees might apply, so sticking with electronic options is your best bet. To sum it up, the Bank of America Health Savings Account is a solid choice if you want to combine tax savings with investment opportunities and easy online management. But if you want to invest every dollar immediately, you might want to check out other providers. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.